These are so fucking good. Fair life.
And that is the most emptiest parking lot for a gym that you will ever see. So it's moderately dead. Everything feels a little too tight, if you know what I'm saying. Let's do a stretch. How I fit this in this bag, I don't even know. Plan B, move to the front because it's too high in the back.
Or just blame it on the person I'll become. Lately, I don't give a fuck, cause I can't be myself when I'm with anyone. Maybe I'm already gone, I'll never be the same. Hitting me like a hurricane, hitting me like a tidal wave. And I don't know why I draw my mind and everything they say. Hitting me like a hurricane, hitting me like a tidal wave. And I don't know why I draw my mind. It got the best of me. Tell me that I'm lost 'cause I'm
365, I think so.
with your life on the line, ready to die for something. When you're wrapped and divine, and you're down to nothing. Look into my eyes, believe me that the storm is coming. Believe me that the storm is coming. Down, down, down. It's coming down. It hit me like a hurricane, it hit me like a tidal wave. And I don't know why I shut my mind and everything they say. It hit me like a hurricane, it hit me like a tidal wave. And I don't know why I shut my mind. It got the best of me. It's coming down, down. Believe me that the storm is coming Let's go, 'cause there's nothing left to lose. And I believe deeply in myself, as in you. While I'm alive, I see it now. No less than light. Wait, you're falling away. Gravity lies. I feel it die. Gravity die. I feel it Get the fuck up! It couldn't go, but it couldn't stay. Now we're throwing fuel into a bigger flame. I think we may have gone too far. You don't get what you deserve, no, you get what you take. The wheel of fire will burn and blow up in your face. The burden comes with a price. And as I spin out of control, every second takes me further down the rabbit hole. The devil now holds all the cards. He's listening and taking off, digging his claws into a soul you never sold. You were his right from the start. You don't get what you deserve, no, you get what you take. The will of fire will burn and blow up in your face. The burden comes with a price I don't think you can pay. The will of fire will burn and yet don't suffocate.
Get burned, but it's the best ab exercise. Peace.
Grabbing some Dunkin'.
I'm a fan of Dunkin' every day.
They had my favorite caramel craze, but without whipped cream. So they put white shit on it anyway, and I don't know what it is. But I'm a coffee addict, so it tastes good.
You're not parallel park with one hand. I cannot. So I just took my shower, and this is the soap that I use. It's like a green. It's not sponsored. It's just a good soap. You can probably get it from like Walmart. Mask gainer shake that I'm making. Blueberries. $1,180 calories. Easy. Time to go shooting with Gage. Me. He's got the gauges. His name is Gage. About to be fun. Let's see how it turns out. Maybe I'll get a recording of me shooting in the range if I don't pull my arm off. Get the fuck up!
Forward is to go.
I'm gonna shoot your 22.
Go ahead.
Tango down.
All right, go ahead.
I only need one bullet.
You got a 5 standing, 5 sitting. You puss. I saw that one hit the wall in the back. Stand up. Alright, here, give it. Alright, we got...
No!
See how close that is?
Yo, I gave him a haircut.
You probably would have hit his helmet.
His
You would
helmet?
have had a contusion.
So this dude walks away though, if I was shooting at him.
Yes.
He walks away, but
That goes in the box.
I'm just happy I didn't get... I'm happy I didn't get shrapnel in my nuts.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Yeah.
That day.
I don't know if that's possible.
They anything decibel, so like gunshots are muted, but everything else you can hear.
Okay.
So I can hear you talking, but I can't hear the gunshots.
Alright. What about you, Gabe?
This is the same thing.
It's the same thing.
Same thing.
Damn. So your hearing isn't a little muffled?
No.
Shit. Oh shit. These don't taste like cucumbers. I'm returning them. So we shot some guns, got some headshots. I learned everything I know from Call of Duty. But yeah, that was Gabe and Gage. So yeah, I'm out. We're gonna head home. It started raining in my convertible, but luckily I could just pull to a side street and then put it back up. Struggles of a convertible. Fuck. God damn it. Alright, I ate a chicken wing. Let's see. What? Nah, I had 3 chicken wings. Shit. Alright, 6 chicken wings. What? Nah, it's over. I had 8 wings and half a Gatorade. Let's go! Let's go!